Number 21. Rely on. It means to depend on someone or something.
You can rely on me to keep your secret. You can rely on me to keep your secret. We rely on our smartphones for everything these days. We rely on our smartphones for everything these days. She relies on public transport to get to work. She relies on public transport to get to work.
Number 22. Run into. It means to unexpectedly meet someone, to encounter problems or difficulties.
I ran into my teacher at the mall. I ran into my teacher at the mall. They ran into some issues while renovating the house. They ran into some issues while renovating the house. You might run into traffic if you leave now. You might run into traffic if you leave now.
Number 23. Run low on. It means to have very little left of something.
We're running low on coffee, need to buy more. We're running low on coffee, need to buy more. The car is running low on gas. The car is running low on gas. She noticed they were running low on supplies. She noticed they were running low on supplies.
Number 24. Run out of. It means to completely use up a supply of something.
We ran out of milk this morning. We ran out of milk this morning. Don't run out of patience with the process. Don't run out of patience with the process. The city ran out of water during the drought. The city ran out of water during the drought.
Number 25. See eye to eye. It means to agree with someone, to have the same opinion.
My sister and I don't see eye to eye on politics. My sister and I don't see eye to eye on politics. They finally see eye to eye on the business strategy. They finally see eye to eye on the business strategy. It's rare for the entire team to see eye to eye. It's rare for the entire team to see eye to eye.